EMO just seems to be getting better and better. It's Wednesday morning and we've arrived on Hainbuch stand. Now I'm with Jens. Now, Jens, what are you exhibiting on the stand?
Oh, we have clamping systems, ID clamping system, OD clamping system, quick change systems, and we have measuring systems. We can measuring the clamping force, we can measure the diameters, everything. We have a new system to measure the clamping force according to the RPM. We lose some force according to the RPM, it's much more higher, and you see the Hainbuch system, it's much more stable as a three-charge chuck, as an example.
So that's kind of part of Industry 4.0, isn't it, in a way? Digitalisation, your kind of form of digitalisation?
Yes, the digitalisation is very important for us, and we have here the 4.0 stand for us, where you can see what is possible for the future, yes.
Absolutely, and also you've got automation, I noticed, and I mean, you're utilising the collets and it just works, doesn't it? It's a fantastic system.
Yes, absolutely, it works fantastically, and you see here the robot which we have. We see the automatic changeover from clamping collets. We see the measuring system which is included. Everything works excellent fine with the Hainbuch quality, the high accuracy.
Well, it's not just changing components, isn't it? You're changing setups, simply changing setups.
Yeah, this is the story from Hainbuch. For us, it's always important to make things easy, not difficult. We will make it easy as possible. And with our new CentroteX style system, the new CentroteX S for small, and we have the medium, it's the old one. And now it's much more easier as before to change clamping systems completely.
So you've got this on the machine, the new system. Can we go and have a look, please?
Yes, absolutely. We have it on the machine to see the system, how easy the system works. Anyone who go to the booth, he can make this by himself. Now here we have the wagon, where we have the demonstration what we can do. Here we have the machine adapter. And what is new with the new style, with the S style? New is the size. Size S means much more smaller as the size M. It's for machines with a KK5 and a KK6. It's less, it's reduced in the diameter, it's reduced in the length, and it's absolutely easy to change it. Anybody can do this.
So effectively, you've got this adapter plate, then that will accommodate for expanding mandrels, for chucks, with the minimal time for changing over, but you've made it more compact, so you've got more machining working area.
Absolutely, yeah, totally correct. It's much more smaller from the diameter, much easier. And you see, you can use different systems. We can use a small collet chuck. We can use our mandrel system. We can use a three-charge chuck for different operation. We can use OP10, OP20. Everything is possible and everything is totally easy.
It's also very flexible and modular. What's the repeatability?
Less than 3 microns. Sometimes we have only 1 micron. It's unbelievable how good such a system works.
And how long does it take to change from an expanding mandrel to a chuck?
Oh, I will say if you make it by hand, it's 1 minute. If you make it with the robot or with the grain, maybe it's two minutes. It's totally easy. You can see it with my colleague makes this behind of me, and really it works excellent, unbelievable.
If there was a subcontractor that didn't know what work he would be doing from one day to the next and he's continuously changing the setups on his lathe, what kind of return of investment would you expect him to get from a system like this?
Okay, we can start with the easiest system, only 1 or 2 chucks, and then we will say is that a roughly price from less than 10,000 euro.
Brilliant. Well, it's been an absolute pleasure to be on the Hainbuch stand here at EMO 2019. Please get in touch with them. Still a couple of days left. If you want to visit the stand, I would strongly recommend it.